Does your wrist flexibility suck? This video will provide you with 3 exercises to increase the flexibility of your wrist. Give me a like, give me a subscribe, and check out the Patreon link so you can become a member of the Unshakeably Fit family. The value in this video lies in doing. Watch the repetition, do the repetition, and repeat the repetition with the intent of doing it better every time. Before we begin, let's get our breath in order. 5-second inhales through the nose, 5-second exhales through the mouth. Ready? Inhale. Exhale. One more. Remember to breathe, move, and relax any unnecessary tension. Let's get to work. For this video, you will need a yoga mat or something to provide cushion from the ground and a broomstick. Pause the video while you retrieve what you need. All right, guys, you can hear the tempo, so start getting into your breath. Remember, we want to inhale for 5 seconds through the nose and exhale for 5 seconds through the mouth. Now, while we're doing the inhales and the exhales, we're going to be rocking back and forth to the tempo, stretching out our wrist. Example: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. All right, we are starting in 10 seconds, guys. Remember, we want a big, strong, open chest. Hold that center, 5 seconds. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And really try to open up the palm as we're pulling backwards. Exhale. Inhale. Put lots of length through the shoulders, reaching through the wrist. Exhale. Halfway there. Inhale. Big chest, big breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Exhale. All right. For our next exercise, we'll be in the same position. The only thing that's changing, instead of us opening the wrist or opening the palm, we are going to close the palm and put our weight here on top of the hand. Now, as our weight is on the top of our hand, we want to treat our hand just as we do our palm. In other words, weight should be distributed here and here as we're on the back of the hand. So everything nice and controlled, nice and open. Positioning, get your hands rotated as far forward as possible. And we'll follow that same motion. So example, 1. Exhale. Again. Choose your distance accordingly. The further your knees are, the easier, the harder it's going to be. All right. And starting in. 1. And go. Inhale. Exhale. Big open chest. Inhale. Open the palm. Open the chest. Exhale. Inhale. Big breath. Exhale. Halfway. Inhale. Adjust the weight accordingly as we get through the repetitions. Exhale. 2 more. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Check the body for unnecessary tension and relax where you don't need it. And exhale. All right, nice job, guys. All right, let's grab that broomstick now. You can sit Indian style. You can even take a knee if you'd like to. Whatever's comfortable for you, all the way even into a lunge position is fine. Whatever works for you and is easy for you to do this exercise. I'm going to sit on the ground with my legs crossed because this is a very comfortable position for me to work in. For the stick, we'll choke up however high we need to make the move doable. Obviously, the longer the stick is, this is more weight. This will be more challenging, and if the stick is choked up, of course, if you have too much stick, you may have to take that kneeling position. The exercise we're going to be doing, nice strong torso, keeping our shoulders fixed. We're going to be rotating our stick 5 seconds to the other side and 5 seconds back. Example. Inhale. Using the wrist. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. All right. 1 minute on each arm, starting on my left. In 5. And inhale. Exhale, reverse. Check your bicep for tension on your inhale. And exhale. There's 2. Check the shoulders. Big breath. Good. Halfway. Inhale. Exhale. Try to keep the stick speed consistent. Exhale. Arm straight. Inhale. Exhale. 10-second break, other arm. Starting in 5. Inhale. Exhale, reverse. Strong chest. Good. Relax the bicep, shoulder. Good. Exhale. Halfway. Inhale. Big chest. Relax. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Big chest. Last one. And relax. I recommend doing this video 1 time daily to build the most bulletproof wrist possible. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe, and make sure you check out the description below so you can find out information on how you can train with me, become a member of our video subscription club, and download your free copy of the Unshakable Fitness Annual Exercise Program. See you soon.